Hey everyone! If you're new, welcome in, and if you're not, welcome back. It's Janaya, and for today's video, I will be solving the 2x2 and the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Let's begin with the 2x2. It's all scrambled, so I'm not starting with any head start or anything like that. Bingo. So now that I've solved the 2x2, I'm gonna go ahead and solve the 3x3. The 3x3 is all scrambled as you can see, and I'm gonna start right now. Solved all 6 sides. Solved both the 2x2 and the 3x3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love solving the Rubik's Cubes. They're so fun. I had a 4x4, but it broke, and I did want to solve it for the video, but I actually broke a piece of it off, and I don't know how to reattach it, or if I can. But if you enjoyed this video, please comment below, or anything in support if you feel like it, or just like. But thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a blessed morning, day, or night. Goodbye.